Welcome to Cats, Cards, and Collectibles. It's gotta be Monday, because I have a surprise bag in my hands. Let's open it up and find some wonderful things. Last week's surprise bag was a pretty good one. Go check it out. Oh, we got some top loaders. We need some of those. We'll give it some love. Put some top loaders down here. There. What do we got? 6 cards and a superstar. Nice. We'll start it off with the 6 cards. Cut these open. What do we got? Oh, what do we got here? We got Eli Tolvaren. Nice. What's this? We got Craig Simpson. Nice. We got Tyler Johnson. We got a Mike Richter. We got an Issa Tickmanen. Okay. And we got a Pat LaFontaine to finish off the 6 cards. Nice. Whoa, almost dropped her. And now we're off to the superstar pack. Who's our superstar? Let's see. Got an Alexis Lafreniere. We got an Alexander Barbanov. We got Dave Badyek. And we got a Kevin Todd on a Pro Set rookie. Nice. Well, thanks for watching Cats, Cards, Collectibles on a Monday surprise bag. Please like and subscribe, comment, share if you like. Really helps the channel grow. And we're looking to get 400 subscribers so I can open up a box of O-Pee-Chee Platinum 2021-22. I think we got about 5 more to go. So hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any cool videos, because at 500 subs we're going to do a giveaway for this silver maple leaf right here. This one, it's lucky. Nice.